This is what the problem statement. So this is the given DFA. So we have to convert this DFA into regular expression using Andreas theorem. Now we have to solve this again with the same logic. Now if we observe, Q0 is the initial state as well as it is a final state. One more thing what I observe here is this Q3 state. There is all the incoming transitions, but there is no outgoing transition from Q3 to the final state. There is no transition which is going towards the final state. So this Q3, we will call it as a useless symbol or useless state. Because with some transition, if I am coming to Q3, there is no chance of going back to the final state. So this Q3 state, we will call it as a useless symbol or useless state, which is not going to give any kind of output. So there is no requirement of solving the equation of this Q3 because that state is not useful. So the equation which we'll get from this Q3 is of no use. So we'll just try to solve the equation of the Q0, Q1 and Q2. And our interest will be solving the equation of Q0 because Q0 is a final state. Now write the equation. How to solve the problem? We have to write the equation for all the states. Now the first equation will be for Q0. Q0 equal to. So how to write the equation? Consider all incoming states, incoming transitions. So for Q0, as it is the initial state, so first incoming transition will be epsilon. Okay. Now second, plus. So from Q1 with 1, it is coming to Q0. So it will be Q1, 1. Second input is coming from Q2 with 0 or Q2 with 0. Okay. So there is epsilon, Q1, 1 and Q2, 0. Okay. So these are the equation. This is the equation for Q0. So we'll number it as the equation number 1. Okay. Now we'll write for the Q1 equation for the Q1. So equation Q1 incoming. So from Q0 with 0 coming to Q1. Q0 with 0 coming to Q1. So we'll write Q0, 0. And we don't bother about the Q3 because there is no transition coming from Q3. So Q1 will be Q0, 0. Done. We'll number it as a equation number 2. Now for the Q2, coming from Q0 with 1 coming to Q2. Q0 with 1 coming to Q2. This is equation 3. So considering all incoming transitions, we have written this equation. Only this Q0 will contain the epsilon because it is the initial state. Okay. Now we have to solve this equation. Our interest is getting the equation of Q0, because it is a final state. So if we observe Q2, Q01, Q1, Q00, we can replace this Q1 and Q2 into the equation Q1. So we'll just replace this Q1 and Q2 into the Q0. So we'll write Q0 equals to, okay, substitute 2 and equation 2 and 3 into equation 1. Substituting equation 2 and 3 into equation 1. So just Q0 becomes epsilon plus Q1, 1. This becomes Q0, 0. So Q0, 0 and its own 1. Or Q2, 0. So what is the Q2? Q2 is Q0, 1. and its own 0. Its own 0. So epsilon plus Q001 plus Q010. So we'll just apply Andreas theorem. Andreas theorem. So it becomes, so Q0 will just take as a common, Q0 common, 0, 1 or 1, 0. Now we'll Q0 equal to, now we'll consider this as a R, this is as a Q, this is R, and this will be considered as a P. Okay. So now applying the theorem, we can rewrite as a Q0 equal to QP star. So Q is your epsilon, P is what, 0, 1 plus 1, 0 star. Okay. Now, as we know, epsilon dot anything will be the same. So it becomes Q0 equal to 0, 1 plus 1, 0 bracket star. So this is the regular expression for Q0, and Q0 is our final state. So this is our output. The regular expression for this given DFA is this. Okay. So this is what the application of Ardrens theorem. So I think Ardrens theorem is clear with you. Ardrens theorem is just saying, what is the Ardrens theorem? R equal to Q plus R P. If the equation is in this format, we can replace this with the QP star. We can replace this with the QP star. In all cases, this R, Q, P, all should be regular expression. All should be regular expression. One more thing, it should not contain the epsilon transition. The DFA doesn't contain the epsilon transition. So what we'll do, we'll just try to get the equation in this format and we'll just reduce it with this. This is what your Ardrens theorem. So any doubt? काही समजलं नाही? आहे सगळे? कोणाला काय डाऊट आहे? ओके, विल स्टॉप हिअर. बॅच 3 मधले कोण कोण इथे? जे बॅच 3 आहेत त्यांनी फक्त थांबा, बाकीच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी गेलं ते झालंय. बॅच 3 विल जस्ट 5 मिनिट्स आपण रिव्ह्यू घेऊ. GFA मीटिंग